So we're doing an unboxing and a review of the Philips all-in-one trimmer. It's the 3000 series. And I got this from Amazon. I'm always in the market for a good quality shaver. This one had 6 length settings, self-sharpening blades, and 60 minutes of runtime. This isn't a sponsored post, but I saw this on Amazon and it had a lot of good reviews, so I thought let me just try it out for myself. My beard is very thick, and I thought rather than going to the barbers constantly, I'll just be economical and get my own shaver. So let's go on to the unboxing here. So we've just taken out a warranty, some manuals, and here is the shaver itself. So it's quite good quality, it's not too heavy, it's quite lightweight in design, but it still feels quite sturdy when you're holding it. I've put one of the attachments on there, but this is the shaver, and these are some of the attachments. So this is for nose hair. This is the charger. Thankfully I've got a UK charger, because sometimes when I order certain items from Amazon it comes with the American plug and I have to get an adapter for it. These are the attachments, or the various clipper heads, I think that's what they're called. So they have various length settings which are written down there. So they come with, I think, 5 of them in total. I'm just checking to see where it says the size. Yeah, I think it's written just there. So just there it says the size there. Let me just focus into that. Yeah, so this one's 5mm. And to put it on, it's quite easy. You just connect it to the top and it clicks into place. I think this one's the 9mm one. That's the longest one, so that just clicks into place there, like so. Here we go. So this is my beard, so I'm just showing you how thick my beard is. It also grows very fast as well. So let's get on and just see how well the shaver trims. Alright, so let's see the shaver in action. So make sure you fully charge up the shaver before using it, so you can get the full 1 hour of runtime. The shaver definitely is good for taking off the bulk of the hair if you have a lot of, like, if you have a bushy beard. One of the things that I specifically wanted was the ability for it to line up or shape up my beard, so I wanted to make sure it was kind of like a close shave. So that's the main thing I wanted, because that's, I think, the main thing, because I do want to keep my beard. I don't want to just shave it all off. I want to be able to line it up, trim it down if I need to, so we're just doing that now. And I judge a shaver on how well it can give me kind of like a close shave. So this is not really the closest of shaves. You can still see there is hair there. So what I did to combat this is I used my Remington shaver, which gives me quite a close shave when I use that. So I used that just for the areas where there were still bits of small amounts of hair. So if you want to have a good shaver for doing that, I would recommend a Remington kind of shaver. So I used that for the areas where I was trying to have it like a close shave, and there we go. You can also use like a standard razor if you want to for that. So I would say the shaver is good for taking off the bulk of hair and just lining things up, but if you want to have a close shave, I would say you need some kind of razor or one of these Remington style shavers to make a close shave. So that's my review of this Philips shaver. Let me know what you think of it, and thank you for watching.